Get with the program, navigating English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common English phrase, get with the program. Understanding phrases like this can really boost your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of get with the program. Get with the program is an idiomatic expression used to tell someone to follow the rules, conform to expected behaviors, or align with the current plan or way of doing things. It often carries a tone of frustration, indicating that the person being spoken to is not up to date or is acting contrary to what is expected or agreed upon. While the exact origins of get with the program are a bit murky, it's widely believed to have gained popularity in the mid-20th century. The phrase likely comes from the idea of needing a program at a theatrical show or concert to understand the sequence of performances. Thus, telling someone to get with the program metaphorically means they should understand and follow what is happening or planned. In conversation, you might use get with the program when someone is not keeping up with the current plan or trends. For example, if a friend is reluctant to use new technology that everyone else has adopted, you might say, "Come on, you need to get with the program and start using it too." In the workplace, it can also be used in a professional setting to encourage colleagues to align with new policies or procedures. For example, we're all switching to remote work on Fridays now. You need to get with the program. 1. Everyone else has agreed to the new schedule. It's time for you to get with the program. 2. Our team is moving forward with the new project plan. Get with the program, or you'll be left behind. 3. I know you prefer the old software, but the entire department has switched to the new one. You really need to get with the program. Understanding and using phrases like get with the program can make your English sound more natural and help you better navigate social and professional settings. Remember, it's all about adapting to and embracing the current norms and expectations. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language tips in our future videos. Happy learning!